Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Kate, executive coach and talent acquisition specialist. But you know what else I love? Being a total geek. I am obsessed with automations and little hacks that make our life easier and more productive. I was blown away by ChatGPT, of course, by the rise of it, by the growth of it, and I use it on a daily basis, which saves me hours, even weeks of time, and definitely thousands of dollars. Back in December, I have already recorded the video about the use of ChatGPT in recruitment. Go ahead and watch it if you're new to this tool. It will give you a basic knowledge and understanding how you can apply it to your business. But today I want to share with you the advanced level of ChatGPT use for sales and recruitment. Well, basically sales and recruitment are the same. I'm going to show you how you can create 1,000 plus uniquely personalized intro emails, just like here, within minutes. This was purely written by AI. And this is legit way better than what I receive sometimes, well, not sometimes, 85% of the time in my inbox from LinkedIn. So why is it for an advanced level? Because I'm going to use data scraping tools, smart tools, ChatGPT extension to come up with the emails with a quality like this. And kudos to Alfie Marsh, who shared this approach on LinkedIn. Kudos to Siraj, a software developer friend of mine who helped me set up the accounts and basically understand how to work with those automation tools. But literally I've spent more than definitely 7 hours to prepare for this session with you. So I hope you'll smash that like, subscribe, and share button. Let me show you how it's done. First tool that you're gonna need is Closely. This is a free LinkedIn scraper. They offer lots of services, but we're gonna go down to sign up. I already have an account, but you're gonna need to sign up. It's very easy. And just a heads up, you don't need to connect your LinkedIn account to this Chrome extension. They're gonna ask you to do so, but for what we need right now, in order to scrape the profiles for free, you don't need to do that. So you're gonna sign up and you're gonna have this account and you'll have 50 credits. So 50 times when you can scrape the data. How you're gonna do that? Again, you see sync your LinkedIn account with Closely for free. You do not have to do that. Now, let's say you're looking for sales manager. Or if you're in sales and you're looking for companies who to sell, then, well, it depends on what you're selling. Let's say you're selling a recruitment software, then I would search for VP of people, head of people, because they're the decision makers in the process, and I would reach out to them. So it all depends on the goal of your reach out. I'm in recruitment, so I was looking for a sales director, let's say, right? And you will have the Chrome extension Closely. This is how it looks like. They explain you how to do the export. You can export the user profile, but for our need, we'll use export people to CSV. So let's say we have sales directors in the United States who talk about sales, and we export this search into CSV. How many people would you like to export? Well, it doesn't matter. 30, export CSV. It is generated. Done. Save CSV. Close. And now we have this kind of report. What do we do next? Now we have the list of prospects in a CSV file. We have to simply copy and paste it into a Google Sheet. And then, so here how it looks like, then you're gonna need another tool to populate the description data, etc., etc. Now you're gonna need this tool, which is called Phantom Buster. Every recruiter knows it, every salesperson knows it. It scrapes data, and specifically what you need is this tool. LinkedIn Profile Scraper. One slot is free. So that's why like this, if you need more slots, then you're gonna have to buy it, but we're gonna use the free version here. What do? We connect to LinkedIn first. You're gonna set it up, you're gonna register, and your LinkedIn session cookie, it's easy to find, it's connected, save. And now, do you remember the list of profiles from the Google Sheet? Yeah, that's exactly why I saved those here. So here's our list. We copy it. We make sure that it is not restricted and that it is available online. Anyone with the link. So yes, copy link. Then go to profile URLs, save. Why I have this number of 80? Because Phantom Buster suggests to process a maximum of 80 profiles per day so that your LinkedIn account wouldn't be reported. Now, number of profiles to scrape per launch. You can set up 80 here, but for the sake of just demoing you, I'm gonna use, let's say 15 profiles. Save. None. Manually in case of success. Proxies, none. I prefer to delete all previous files at each launch, just because when I do the launch, it's usually like the new project, so I don't need previous files. Save. And that's it. And now we're waiting. And now all you have to do is to launch it manually. You click on launch and wait for the magic to happen. Again, for the sake of demo, I just process 15 profiles so that to make it faster. Yay, this is a success. Now what we have to do is to download results. Again, this is a CSV file. So what we have to do is to copy and paste. Here, how it looks like. You see how amazing this is? Like it scrapes the description of the profile and you'll see why we need it. The headline, the location, first name, last name, subscribers. This is a freaking amazing tool. And like mutual connections, companies, job titles, locations, it's huge. It has a lot of data that we can use in creating personalized messages. So let's copy this. Okay, so this all is copied. Specifically, we need descriptions. Do we have descriptions across all profiles? Well, almost. Yeah, you remember we copied 15 profiles. But again, you can generate more. This is the last tool. I promise you, the last one. Well, besides the OpenAI that you would need. Cargo. This is an OpenAI add-on for sales and marketers and recruiters, because recruiters are sales. I have it installed already, but it's pretty straightforward. You click on install here, you register the account, and boom, you have this as an add-on. Now the trick is, what you have to do next is connect OpenAI API with Cargo API. Let me show you how you can do so. Now you go to your OpenAI account. So here you will create an API. You'll click on this, it will generate API, you will copy this, and then you will go to your tools, to extensions, Cargo, open. Here you will have like the word onboarding. You'll go to settings and you will insert your OpenAI key and save. So now your Cargo and OpenAI are mingled together. And now all the magic is happening. you go to extensions, cargo, open. Again, I have already played around with the tool and it took me more than 2 hours to generate my perfect template. So you can spare yourself some time and just use my template. I'm gonna leave it in the comments below. But yeah, it literally took me more than even 4 hours to come up with a template because I used help of our software developer, Siraj. If you're listening to this, thank you so much. I don't know what I would do without you because it's a technical work. So here's my template. Here, I'm going to show you how it looks like so that you have an idea how to create this AI prompt. Write a cold recruitment email starting with, hey, first name. Do not introduce yourself right away. Do not use I hope you're doing well or I hope this message finds you well or any similar greeting. Go straight to the point. Again, this is just my opinion and I don't like it when people use I hope your email finds you well. That's why I included this. Start with a short compliment summarizing description. So property 2 for me is description. Or mention property 3, which is mutual connections, if there are any. Do not use the same words as in description. Introduce yourself. Let's say you're Kate, recruiter at Genic Recruiting. You offer the candidate the role of an architect in a prop tech company. I know this is all sales executives, but like you can edit the template. Just for the sake of demo, I'm gonna use mine for an architect in a prop tech company. Finish the email asking a question. Don't sound too professional. Be friendly and conversational. Use startup jargon. Cool. So let's use the template and see what do we come up with. First, you have to add the first name here, description, and then mutual connections, and again, description. Cool. So all the rows are filled out. Now let's press preview. It's gonna generate me a text, an email only for the first row. For the second row. Hey Thomas, I'm impressed by your track record as an experienced management professional working with C-level professionals to solve business and personal needs with affordable and efficient solutions. It's clear that you're changing the world one opportunity at a time by creating an authentic relationship that focus on doing business in an ethical, transparent, and mutually beneficial manner. My name is Kate, and I'm a recruiter at Genic Recruiting. We're currently looking for an architect to join a prop tech company. We think you'd be a great fit for the role. Would you be interested in learning more about the opportunity? Best, Kate. I think it works. Obviously, this is basic, but the power of this AI tool is that we do not do the manual work, which can be done by AI, and this tool can be used at scale. So let's press on. For the sake of saving time and my credits, I will generate the emails from row 2 to, let's say, row 6. But again, you can use it for like up until 13 or 15 or whatever the number you have created out of the LinkedIn scraper using the font embosser. Then let's press run. Okay, it's finished. Now let's take a look what it came up with. So here's how it's gonna look like. Hey Mark, I saw you've had an impressive career as a strategic talent acquisition business leader with a deep knowledge across a broad spectrum of industries. Your primary background in IT, staff augmentation, recruiting, and project solutions, as well as your experience in business development for diversity and minority enterprises and global staffing initiatives, is truly remarkable. I'm Kate, a recruiter at Genic, blah, blah, blah. We think you'd be a great fit. Do you think this could be a good opportunity for you? We're looking forward to hearing from you. Nice. Hey Mike, I've heard you're a real pro when it comes to creating innovative solutions for name generation, call lead generation, candidate development. You see? What do you think? Are you interested in learning more? Great, I love it. Hey Chris, I'm sure you're aware of the importance of identity security in today's digital world. I'm Kate, because I think you'd be a great fit for a role. You have a great track record of executive strategic services related to identity security efforts, such as finding the most efficient way to protect the systems, etc., etc. You got the gist. Like, it generates a personalized intro email within seconds. I think it's pretty impressive.
Voila, this is how it works. I hope you find it valuable. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions on how to set up those accounts, or if you're going to use this approach in general, if you find it interesting and time-saving. Just stay connected, click that like and subscribe button, and I will see you next week. Thank you.